Take a ride in the 2019 Dodge Challenger. Rated most appealing midsize sport car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control, security system, compass, trip computer, tachometer, outside temperature gauge, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, brake assist, overhead console, driver vanity mirror. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.